Hi, my name is Monica Moore. I'm a registered dietitian in the UNE Master's Program. I currently live in Kittery, Maine, which is about half an hour south of Biddeford area, which is where UNE is located. I originally am from New Jersey. I graduated high school, went to college at the University of New Hampshire for my undergrad. I graduated with a degree in nutritional sciences and a minor in kinesiology. After college, I took quite a few years off in order to just work and kind of feel my way through the field, see what I liked in the nutrition world, see if I wanted to do an internship, if I wanted to do my RD. I ended up deciding I did after many years of working. After that, I went to the University of Oklahoma in Oklahoma City for my internship, for my dietetic internship to become a dietitian. When I completed that, I moved back to the area, back to Maine, and since then I've been working for the last 5 years at Southern Maine Healthcare, which is a hospital in Biddeford. Um, that hospital has been great for me. I've had a chance to really grow in the position there. I've been able to do outpatient, inpatient, oncology, counseling, nutrition support, kind of the whole gamut of dietitian clinical work, which has been awesome. A little about the area I live in. If you're not familiar with Maine, most people think Maine's just cold and terrible, but it's not, especially in the summertime. So all these pictures are from near where I live. The top two, the beach, of course, lighthouses, boats, water, anything. I live about 5 minutes from the beach currently. The mountains on the bottom, I live about 45 minutes from the mountains, and that's actually a zip line course that we were on in the mountains where we lived in. We just did a little day trip up before work one afternoon. Some things that are important to me. So my dog's super important. So this is Monty. He just passed away a few months ago. He was 16, and yes, I'm one of those crazy dog people that did a photo shoot with their dog, because that's just what I do. So this is Monty. He died in March at the age of 16, so he had a nice, healthy life. Um, After he passed, my boyfriend, who I live with, said, "Wouldn't it be great if we just got a puppy?" And so we ended up, I'm just going to get rid of my screen for a minute here. We ended up with Zoey. She, as the bottom right picture will describe, is a wild woman. So we went from having the most calm, wonderful dog to now we have a terror. She's very cute, but she's a lot of work, and puppies are hard. Some of my hobbies just right now were dog training. I like to run. I used to do marathons, but I've gotten away from it a little bit. I hope to eventually maybe get back into some running as far as longer distances than just a leisurely jog around my neighborhood. Um, we are starting to look at fostering dogs. That's one of the things. We love dogs, obviously, and as you saw from the past two, we have a soft spot for pit bulls. So this is Elton. He's our foster dog. He's actually arriving tomorrow from Mississippi, so he'll be with us till he finds his forever home. So that's kind of our new hobby right now, is just helping out some of the local rescues, and then hopefully being foster parents ourselves, some of these dogs. Other than that, I work a ton, go to school, and just kind of plugging along. So that's a little bit about me. I look forward to looking at some of your other videos so I can see what everybody else in the class is up to. If you have any questions throughout the class, please feel free to message me, but hopefully we all get to interact throughout the class in the discussion posts. Thanks for watching.